Hey beauties, so today we are going to be doing a try on video for some of my favorite lip glosses. So these lip glosses will all be from Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's something about her lip glosses that just like when you put them on, they make you feel like a boss ass bitch. Like they just glide on. They're so beautiful. They're so pigmented. Literally, like I love them so much, but I will be honest, I wait all year until Cyber Monday when I can get them for like $9.60 because I'm not about to spend $16 on a lip gloss. It's just not happening. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So these are the 5 we're gonna be trying on. Okay, so the first one we're gonna try on is Tara. This is described as an earthy terracotta brown. So this is actually one that I reordered from my last Black Friday because I just am obsessed with this color. It's so beautiful, looks so good on deeper skin tone. And the next color we're gonna try on is Glided. And this is described as a sparkly antique gold. So I think on lighter skin tones this would be super cute. I normally don't wear this on its own because it's actually not very cute, but I'll show you with nothing. Okay, it's cute on its own, but it's cuter with a lip liner. And it's really cute like as a topper over, you know, like another lipstick or something, like just in the center. It's Spice. Yes, this is Spice. I am obsessed with this lip liner. It's so cute. Just slice a little bit. And you can add a little bit more if you like. I don't know, I really just like wearing this with this lip liner. I'm not really a fan of just wearing it by itself. It just, to me, it doesn't look flattering. So yeah, that's Glided with a lip liner. Okay, so the next one we're gonna go into, this is Fudge. Sorry, my dog is so loud. So this color is Bordeaux. And I actually drove through Bordeaux when we were driving around France, and I thought it was like really cool because it's like when you don't, like when you think that these places are like in some faraway land. So like had I never been to Paris or France, I'd be like, oh, Bordeaux, like it's like some mystical land. I mean, it's a cool place, but like, you know what I mean? Like it just, I don't know. You like have all these ideas about how a place is gonna be, but then really like it's like just it's like just a city name. But like it's boss because it's like like a cranberry. But this color reminds me of my grandma so much. R.I.P. Geneva, I love you. I just love this applicator so much. It's so smooth, and like these are so buttery and like obviously opaque. Just feel like luxury. It's giving me cranberry vibes for sure, but like cute for like a little holiday festivities, you know, little holiday party. Okay guys, this last one is called Tropez. Yeah, Tropez. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. I think that I might have to wear it also as a topper, but I'm really hoping not because it's so freaking cute. And I'm so excited. Oh. Yes! Oh yeah. So a couple things I love about these lip glosses. Number one, they last on your lips for literally so long without reapplying, which I love. And they last a really long time. Like I said, I had just refilled Tara after a year and I used that bad boy like every day. Or like, every other day. Actually debating between getting Fudge and Sepia. I am obsessed with Sepia, but because I got Fudge, I thought that they were pretty similar and I didn't want to get two of the same ones that I already had before. So yeah, but Sepia is also a really great option if you're also looking for like a really nice nude color, especially for my women of color. So the second thing I love about these lip glosses is that, bye puppy, is that they exfoliate your lip. Just how smooth it is and how like luxurious it feels on your lips. It actually is very like soothing and smoothing. So like when you go to take off your lip glosses, and even now I'm noticing like my lips were pretty much smooth, like they didn't really have any like dead skin on them. But even if you do have some dead skin and you don't have like any time to exfoliate, I would put that lip gloss on just for a little bit, let it like kind of seep into your lip for a bit, and then you can just like rub off the dead skin and it comes off like butter. Now go ahead, take off that extra dead lip skin, go ahead, reapply the lip gloss again, and you cute, honey. Okay, I'm done with myself and I'm just really excited about this lip gloss. And it's definitely like a summer vibe, but I honestly don't care. I do what I want, and I hope you do what you want too. As long as doing what you want is not hurting anybody, and it would be even better if it was positively benefiting you and everybody else in the world, and we could bring more love and peace and joy and positivity in the world, because the world needs it. The world needs the real you. So never stop showing up for yourself, being the full expression of who you are. That was something that my inner spirit wanted me to tell you, so I'm just letting you know. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.